In the photo editor of your choice, create a canvas of 500 by 500 pixels of resolution 300 that has a transparent background. Next, resize your chosen image and remove the background. Once removed, rescale the image and export as a PNG. Alternatively, you can choose an icon off a website like icon8.com. Once you have your PNG, you need to convert it to an ICO file. Right-click the folder and select Properties. Choose the Customize tab at the top, then change Folder icon. Select your ISO file and click OK. Now you have a custom folder icon. Subscribe, Poggers.